Before you click buy now on the viral bullshot grease cleaner, stop. In this video, I'm breaking down whether this trending miracle cleaner is actually worth your money or just another overhyped gimmick designed to drain your wallet. By the end of this review, you'll know exactly whether bullshot is legit or a complete scam. So let's start with what the company claims. According to their website, Bullshot Grease Cleaner is supposed to be a powerful, universal cleaner that removes heavy grease in seconds. They promise strong results on kitchens, garages, appliances, pretty much anything you can think of. They even highlight free delivery, but only with a minimum $7.99 handling fee, which is already a little suspicious, and you can only buy up to 3 units at a time. Sounds like a sales tactic more than a feature, but here's where things get really questionable. Despite bragging about 100 million happy customers, there are no verifiable reviews anywhere. Not on their own site, not on Trustpilot, not on Reddit, nothing. For a product claiming this level of popularity, that doesn't add up. Next, let's talk customer support. The company lists 2 phone numbers. Great, right? Except one appears to be copied from another unrelated source, and the other one leads nowhere clear. On top of that, their marketing materials rely heavily on generic stock photos instead of real before and after images or demonstration videos. This is a big sign that the product may not perform as advertised. The site also claims Bullshot is totally safe for kids and pets, but here's the problem. There are no lab test results, no certifications, and no third-party safety reports. If a cleaner is truly safe, legit brands always show independent testing. Here, it's just empty claims. And finally, the biggest red flags. The Amazon listing is unclear and inconsistent. The contact details raise more questions than answers, and the claims about instant grease removal are completely unsupported by any evidence. When you combine all these issues, the picture becomes pretty obvious. So, is the Bullshot grease cleaner a scam or legit? Based on everything we found, this product raises far too many red flags to trust. Until there's real proof, real reviews, and real test results, I'd say keep your money far away. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's considering buying this cleaner. Stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.